Hi my dear students, in our last class we see about the more, less, bigger number, smaller number and missing numbers and addition with zero. Okay, I think you are all clear in this topic. Now we starting the new topic, travel truth. Take page number 29. Okay, travel truth. Trees, how many trees? Nothing ma, we are just counting the trees. Okay, they are giving some keywords. Add, total, together, all together, more. Okay, this all the word gives the same meaning, that is addition. Okay, now here look at the paragraph. First line, money and Kani are neighbors. Neighbor means these two persons are living in near houses. Okay, that is a neighbor. Okay, Mani and Kani are neighbors. They go to school together from their homes. Okay, one day on the way to school, Mani started counting the trees from his right side and said the total has 7. Kani also counting the trees on her left side and said the total has 5. When they reached the school, they told their friend Selvi about this. Selvi told the number of trees that had been counted by Mani and Kani is 12. Mani and Kani were surprised and asked, "How did you say that?" Okay, ma? Now listen, Mani and Kani. This is Mani and this girl name is Kani. These two persons are neighbor, ma. They are going to school together each and every day. Okay. One day they are going to school as usually. Okay. And that time Mani started counting. Mani started counting the trees on his right side. Right side means what? This side. Okay, this side he started counting. Okay, so you also count ma, how many trees are there on his right side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many ma? 7 trees. Okay, now here Mani started counting the trees on his right side and said total has how many? 7. Okay, Kani also counting the trees on her left side. Okay, she is counting the trees on his left side. Count ma, how many trees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And said the total has 5. When they reaching the school, okay, they both also counting the trees. This boy counting the trees as 7. This girl counting the trees on his left side and said 5. Okay, they both also reached the school. Okay, this two members friend name is Selvi. What ma? Selvi. They both members tell about this to Selvi. Okay, and then Selvi told the number of trees that had been counted by Mani and Kani is 12. Selvi told that this both side having 12 trees, that like saying. Mani and Kani were surprised. They were shocked and asked, "How did you say that?" Okay, they both are asking the question, how did you say? Okay, and then Selvi said, Selvi's way of counting. Okay, Mani counting how many trees ma? 7. Okay, trees counted by Mani is 7. 7 trees are. So you draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then trees counted by Kani how many? 5. So you draw the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And the cell we told how many trees totally? Yes, 12. Which like ma? Nothing ma. She do the addition. Okay. We also know how to do the addition. Yes. 7, 5. Okay. Here 7 lines. Here 5 lines. Now total. Total means what ma? Yes, addition. So put the addition symbol. Okay. Addition means yes. We want to count all the lines. Start the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is the answer. Okay, that's all. The total number of lines grouped in 10. Here see ma, they are putting the 12 lines, but they are grouping in 10. In this circle, how many lines ma? Yes, 10 lines. They are grouping the 10. Okay, so you only one circle are there, so they are putting 1. Okay, outside the circle how many lines are there? That means tens and ones. Okay, outside the circle how many lines? 1, 2. So how many ones are there? Only 2 ones, so they are putting the 2. So 1, 2 is 12. Okay, here ma, addition. We already know that, isn't it? No. Here differentiating the using beats and lines. Okay, that's all. Both are same. As your wish, you use anything. Okay. In this side, 6 plus 9 equal to how many? We want to find out the answer. Plus up. Plus means what? Yes, symbol of addition. So this is the addition. Okay. Now we want to find out this answer using the lines. Okay. So 6 plus 9. 6. So you draw the 6 lines. So 9. 9 means you draw the 9 lines. Okay. Now we want to find out the answer. Which like ma? Yes. We want to count this all the lines. So your answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 1, 5. This is one method. Okay. Here see ma. Here defined using the one sentence. Okay. Now here putting the 15 lines. Okay. First we are circled the 10 because this is a tens. Okay. Ones, tens. Okay. In tens place, how many circles are there? First circle the 10 lines ma. Circle it. Here 10 lines again having a no. So that's all. How many circles are there? 1. So inside the circle how many lines? 10 lines. So you put the 1 below the tens. 1. Now outside the circle how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 lines are single. Okay. That means ones. So you putting the 5 below the ones. Okay. Now here same method, but they here using the beats. 12 plus 4. Here putting the 12 beats below 4 beats. Now addition means what? Yes, we want to count all the beats. Now the answer is 16 ma. In this rope, how many same like that they define the ones tens. Last number ones and the before number tens. Okay. In this one rope having the 10 beats. Okay. One rope only having a. So you putting the 10 1 below the tens. Okay. One rope only having. Now singly. Single means what? Ones. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you putting the 6. 1 6 is 16. That means 1 tens, 6 ones. Okay. Normal addition only ma. Now addition practice. Okay. Now listen carefully. 1. So I am keeping 1 dot. Now here 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now addition. So I want to count all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many? 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay, now 8. This is enough. Okay, no need to put the ones tens. Okay, you just count and add the and write the number. That's all. Okay, ma. This is only for your example of ones and tens. Now, second question, 8 plus 5. 8, so you kept the 8 dots. Now we using the line, okay. 8, so 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, so I want to count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. 1, 3, 13 is the answer. Here 15 plus 0. What is the answer you itself say, ma? We already learned in last class. What is this? Yes, adding with 0. So 0 means what? Nothing. Okay. Adding with 0, it gives the what answer? Yes, same answer, no? So 0 means nothing. So 15 plus 0, 15. Okay. Now 7 plus 7. 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we want to count all the dots. 1, 2, addition, so only we want to count all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 1, 4, 14. Understand, Amma? Okay. From first line, single digit addition. This is easy for you. But this is Seema double digit addition. This is also very easy. I already give you just an introduction for you. I already before class. Now listen carefully, ma. Okay. You make the addition has this same method also. You using this same method. This is possible, but keeping the 12 dot means this is very tough for you. So I'm saying one another method. Okay, see here, 12 plus 4. Say 12 in a mind, 4. 4 means keep the 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. Okay, 12 in a mind, 4 in the dots. Okay, 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, that's all. Okay, you keeping the biggest number in the mind. Okay, va? And smaller number in the dots. Okay, and then in a mind 12 having us. Now say that after number of the 12. That means 12 after what? 13, 14, 15, 16. And start counting. Okay, 16 is the answer. For example, here itself, Seema, 12 dot means this is very tough for you. Okay. You see this two of same question. Now look at the second question. 19 plus 0. Adding with 0 means gives the same number. So 19 is the answer. Okay, now 14. 14 is the biggest number, no? So keep 14 in a mind. 3 in a 1, 2, 3. 3 in a dots. Okay. 14 after 15, 16, 17. How many? So 17. Put 17. Okay. Now 11. 11 plus 11 is the biggest number, no? So keep the 11 in the mind. Okay. 11 in the mind. 7 in the dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now 11 in the mind. 7 in the dots. Say 11 after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 is the answer. 1 8. Okay. You don't need to strike out. This is for your identification, that's all. Okay, you want to say the after of the biggest number. Okay, this is one method. Suppose this is very tough for you, means you use this method also. Okay, now 6 plus 7, same like that. You keep single digit, no? This 2 also single digit number, so you keep the dots as your wish. Okay, you keeping the 6 dots and then 7 dots, you add all the dots and write the answer. Same like that, all the one. Now here adding with 0 means nothing, so 11 is the answer. This is all your homework. Okay, now here see, biggest number 2 digit number, so 16 in the mind, 4 in the dots. 16 after 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 means 20. Understood? Okay. Now here 13 is the biggest number. So 13 in the mind, 4 in the dots. 13 after 14, 15, 16, 17. So write 17 here. Okay, same like that here. 17 in a mind, because 17 is 2 digit number. 17 in a mind, 1 in the dot, 17 after 18. Okay, this is workout in your home. This is a homework. Okay, now take the next page. Okay, the same method ma. Here giving the addition. Now we want in this box, next box we want to write the answer. Okay va. Okay, I am giving the 5 minutes for you. You all work out from yourself. Okay. For example, see here. 2 1 2 1 1. Kept it now plus. Count all the dots. 1 2 3. So 3. Adding with 0 means nothing. So 5 is the answer. 3 plus 3 1 2 3. 1 2 1 2 3. Now addition means count all the dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Like this you do all the 1. Okay. Now 9 plus 1. 9 means keep the 9 dots and 1 means 1 dot. Count all the dots means answer is 10. Okay. 6 plus 6 means 12. Now here 2 digit number. So keep 11 in a mind, 2 in a dots. 11 after 12, 13. Okay. 9 plus 5 so 9 dots. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 dots. 5 means 1 2 3 4 5. Now we want to count all the dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 14. Okay. Now 2 digit number. 11 in the mind, 4 in the dots. 11 after 12 13 14 15. Now 10 in the mind, 6 in the dot. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 10 after 11 12 13 14 15 16. Put 16. 16 is the answer. Now same like that we finished all the sums. Now here giving one picture. Yes, peacock and numbers also they are giving ma. Now look this box clearly. Near the box, near the answer, they giving one color. Okay. So look at here, ma'am. 20. They are giving 20 means what? Yellow. So in this picture, you give the yellow for 20. Okay. For example, here see 3. 3 means what? Yes. Blue. Yes. This is one type of blue or blue. So you give the blue color for 3. And then 5 means what color ma? Yes, orange. 5 means orange. Where is the 5 here? So you give here orange color for the 5. Now next, what is this? Pink. Okay, 6 for pink. So where is the 6? So here giving the pink color. 10 means blue, so you give blue color in this. Now here violet. 12 violet. Where is the 12? Here give the violet color for here. Now light green. Give the light green for 13. Here giving the light green. Okay, now red. 14 red. Now here red color. Okay, 15 dark green. Here dark green. 16 means what color ma this one? Black color. Okay, 16 black. So you give, where's the 16? Here you give the black color here. Okay, 18 dark blue. So give dark blue for 18. Brown 19. That's all. This like you gave the same color for this. Okay, now last page. Page number 32. Think like a mathematician. Watch the pairs which make the sum. Sum. What does mean by sum? Sum means also what? Addition. Okay. Now we want to make them 12. Simple ma. Here giving one line. First, 9 is the biggest number, no? So 9. 9 in our mind. 9. We want to say the number up to the number 12. Okay, va? 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12. Now how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3. Now where is the 3? Here. So we want to connect 9 and 3. 9 and 3 makes the 12. Okay, understand like this. For example, here Seema. 6. Okay. Now you say the number 6 after up to the number 12. Okay. 6 after that means 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and then 12. How many lines? How many fingers ma? Yes, 6. So 6 plus 6 give the answer 12. Okay, and then next number what? 5. Say 5 after up to the number 12. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many lines? 7. Very good. 7 lines. 7 we are having here. So you want to connect 5 and 7. Put the line clearly. Okay. Okay. Take the scale and put the line clearly. Now 11. Say 11 after up to the number 12. 11 after 12. Only one finger. So where is the 1? 1. So you connect the 11 and 1. Okay. 3 here itself connect it ma. Now 10. Say 10 after up to the number 12. 10 after 11, 12. How many fingers? 1, 2. Where's the 2? Here. So you connect 10 and 2. Okay. Now 4. Say 4 after up to the number 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 8 lines. So 8 fingers. So 4, 8 connected. Okay. Now last number what ma? 12. 12 after nothing. Nothing means 0. So you connect 12 and 0. Okay va? Nothing ma. You first see the first row. Okay, one by one say the next number up to the question number. Okay va? Suppose 6 means 6 is a question. Here giving sum 12. So you want to tell up to the number 12. Suppose here see. Sum 20 means you want to say the number up to 20. 20 commits means you stop saying the number. For example, here see. Here only. Here. Which is the biggest number? This is the biggest number. For example, here it's a giving C. 19, 1 they putting the connection. Say 19 after up to the number 20. 19 after 20. Only one finger. So only 1, 19 connecting. Okay, ma'am. Now here see. 16. 4, 16. 16 biggest number. So you say the number 16 after up to the number 20. 17, 18, 19, 20. How many fingers? 4 fingers. So you connect the 16, 4. Makes the sum 20. Okay, va? Next. I'm saying one thing, ma. You select the double digit number. Okay. This is a very easy way to connect to the lines. Now, where is the double digit number? Yes, 17. You say 17 after, up to the number 20. Okay, this is one easy method. 17 after, up to the number 20, same. 17 after, 18, 19, 20. How many fingers? 3. Where is the 3 here? So, 17, 3. That's all. Now, here having one 2-digit number, see. 14, 1, 4, 14. You say the number 14 after up to the number 20. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many lines? How many fingers? 6. So 14 plus 6 gives the number answer 20. Now where's the here? 2-digit number having 18. Say 18 after up to the number 20. 19, 20. 2 fingers are. So 2. 18, 2. Okay. Now, where's the 2-digit? Here. 15. Say 15 after up to the number 20. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many fingers? 5. So, 15, 5. Understood? You best select the 2-digit number. Okay. Next 2-digit number where having, yes, here 13. Say 13 after up to the number 20. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many? First 5 fingers, next 2 fingers. Yes, 7. So 13, 7. Connecting. That's all. Okay. You solve the sum you itself. If you have any doubt, okay, I will clear in your next class. Okay, ma? Now, mental math, addition. Arasi has 9 pencil, Kamala has 8 pencil. How did you add all together? What does mean by all together? Yes, addition. First, Arasi has how many pencil? 9 pencil. All together means addition, so put plus. Kamala has 8 pencil. Now we want to find all together. Okay, do the addition you itself. 9 plus 8, how many, ma? Keep the 9 dots and down 8 dots and count all the dots. What is the answer? Very good. How many? 17. 17 what? Pencils. So write here pencils. Okay. Next question. Mary plucked 7 mangoes. Ahalya plucked 6 mangoes. Okay. I am writing the answer here. Okay. Mary plucked how many mangoes? 7. Here giving C. Together. Together means also what? Addition. So put the symbol plus. Ahalya plucked 6 mangoes. So put the 6. Now we want to make the addition. Keep the 7 dots and down 6 dots and count all the dots. What is the answer? Yes, you are right. 13. 13 mangoes. Okay. Right here mangoes. Now, third question. Chelian is 12 years boy. Okay, his sister age is 3 years more. More means what? Big. Extra 3 years. Okay, so 12 years more. What is mean by more, ma? Yes, we want to add extra things. That means plus. More also gives the same meaning, that is what? Plus. Okay, his sister age is 3 years more. So we put 3. 2 digit number. So 12 in a mind, 3 in a dots. 12 after 13, 14, 15. So 15 years old. 15 years old. Okay. Now, Samira has 8 crayons. How many crayons? 8 crayons. They buy 4 more. First he has 8 crayons, ma. After they buy again means what? Yes, extra 4 crayons she buying. So put plus. Okay, 4. Because totally means what? Plus. So put plus symbol. 4 crayons extra she is buying. So put 4. Now make the addition. 8 plus 4 equal to what, ma? Keep the 8 dots and down below you putting the 4 dot and you count all the dots. Yes, 12 crayons is the answer. That's all, ma. From this class your second unit is over. Okay, prepare well. If you have any doubt means you ask anytime. Okay, if you not understand any topic means please say, ma, I will clear in your next class. Okay, come, I will surely explain that topic in your next class. Okay, thank you.